Hi, this is Brad Linder with Lilliputian, and this is the Lenovo ThinkPad 10, which was announced, I believe, in May or so, and is now available for pre-order. Should be shipping in June or July, probably in the United States. It's a 10-inch tablet. It's the latest 10-inch enterprise business-friendly tablet from Lenovo. It has features including an Intel Atom Bay Trail processor, a full HD 10-inch display, that's 1920 by 1200 pixels, up to, it says 10 hours here, but more like 8 hours of battery life. Weighs about 1.3 pounds and actually feels pretty good, pretty lightweight. It's going to be available starting at $599, and that's a little bit more than some competing Bay Trail tablets, but it includes, at least in the United States, a Wacom digitizer and a pen. And what other sort of premium features do you think sets it apart?
Well, for businesses, what's really nice about this is it manages just like a regular ThinkPad on their network. So instead of added cost for mobile device management or VDA licensing, they don't have to pay those things. They're actually built into the product. So for IT managers, this is really to them a lot like just a regular ThinkPad notebook. All that cost is kind of built into the product itself. I think also, of course, mobility is fantastic with this product, so you can take it out in the field. We have a lot of great accessories to help you do that, but when you come back to the office, if you want to use our dock, you can actually use it more like a desktop type experience. You can dock it in, have a different monitor available to you, attach some of your peripherals, and be able to charge it up very quickly with a regular ThinkPad power supply. So some nice ecosystem of accessories to go along with the ThinkPad 10.
And what's hiding behind these ports here?
Yeah, so let's take a little peek behind the door. So here we have a full-size USB port, which is really nice. We also have, this is a proprietary charging port that we have, which is kind of like a small version of our ThinkPad power supply. It gives you a 65-watt charge though, so you get a quick charge, which is really nice. This again is a connector for some of our accessories, like the dock you just saw, or the keyboard. And then around this side, open up here. Oh, wrong door. There we go. You can see we have a micro SD card slot and also a SIM card slot depending on your geography. And we also have a volume rocker here as well and your audio jack.
So it will be available with 3G or 4G capabilities in select markets.
Correct.
And in terms of, I was mentioning, I'm going to try and do this left-handed while holding the camera, which is going to be awful, but just to show that it does have the Wacom support, you can hover, it'll select different things as you do that. It's going to have pressure-sensitive input, so you can use it for writing, drawing, or for running applications that might otherwise be hard to hit with your fingers. You get a much more precise input when you're using something like a digital pen. So people like to laugh, that the iPad killed the stylus, but when it comes to something like this, for select users, a pen really can make a difference. Now there's no place to store the pen in the tablet itself when you're not using it, but if you get certain accessories like this keyboard dock, there's actually a spring-loaded pen slot that, right here, and then if you get a cover like this guy here, you can store it in the side. Again, I'm trying to do this one-handed, which is less than ideal, but so you can store it there. Why don't you show me how this attaches? So this cover snaps right into place, and when it's in place, you actually have a little fold here. Yeah. So you can place it over the back, and when you open up the little fold, you'll notice that the camera light just turned on. It automatically sends a signal to the device and basically says, initiate the camera. So you can snap quick pictures. That's something that was first introduced on the ThinkPad 8 and is now also available on the ThinkPad 10. So that's a quick look at the Lenovo ThinkPad 10. It's a $599 Bay Trail tablet for business, enterprise, or really anybody who wants it. And it has optional accessories including this, what do you call this dock?
Quick shot cover.
Quick shot cover, named for the quick shot photos. A desktop dock, and there's a couple of different keyboard options, including this guy here. And it actually holds on magnetically. Only sort of does the one angle, but you can very easily snap it into place, and it holds on nice and firm when you do snap it into place there. So, some nice accessories, sort of a premium entry-level 10-inch Windows tablet. This is Brad Linder with Lilliputian.